Ever wondered about the top 5 varieties of heirloom tomatoes? Well, you're about to find out. Heirlooms, with their unique colors, shapes, and flavors, are a delightful deviation from the usual red tomato. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 varieties that you might want to plant in your garden. First on our list is the Brandywine tomato. Known for its large size, this heirloom variety boasts a striking pinkish-red hue. Its distinct flavor, a perfect balance between sweet and tangy, sets it apart. The Brandywine tomato, a must-try for every gardening enthusiast. Next up, the Cherokee Purple tomato. This heirloom variety is a feast for the eyes with its dark, almost smoky color. It's renowned for its rich, sweet taste that's simply unforgettable. Its history traces back to the Cherokee people, making it a historical gem in the world of tomatoes. Third on our list, the exotic green zebra tomato. This variety is a head-turner with its vibrant green and yellow stripes. Its tangy flavor is a delightful surprise, adding a unique twist to your tomato dishes. The green zebra, a tomato that's as tasty as it is beautiful. A fourth in line, the intriguing black crim tomato. This variety boasts an unusual dark color, almost like a twilight sky. Its sweet taste is a delightful surprise, hailing from the cold lands of Russia. The black crim, a sweet delight from the cold lands of Russia. Finally, rounding up our list, the yellow pear tomato. This charming variety captivates with its petite size and adorable pear shape. Its sweet, delectable flavor and bountiful yield make it a must-have. The yellow pear, a tiny burst of sunshine in your garden. So, there you have it, the top 5 heirloom tomato varieties that you should consider for your garden. We've explored the Brandywine's robust flavor, the Cherokee Purple's rich, smoky nuances, the vibrant and tangy green zebra, the black crim's salty sweet balance, and the delightful, bite-sized yellow pear. Each variety has its unique charm that can add a touch of magic to your garden and your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and insights. Happy planting!